how to add structured data for digital products to your website so that you can get found in Google Shopping, Google Search, and in other search engines. So how can you do it? How can you get those product snippets and merchant listings to show up so that your products can get found? Like this, you want these little snippets to show up, and you are going to use ChatGPT, of course. Just ask ChatGPT to give you the JSON LD code of the property type that you want. So is your digital product audio? Is it a video? That is all the information that you need to add to it so that people can find it, how long it is, what's inside of it, and all of this is so rich with keywords that not only users are using but that your customer is using to actually find you, right? This is everything that is going to be given to you by ChatGPT and save you. Basically, then you're going to go to schema.org and you're going to paste the code to make sure that it is right. You don't want to be pasting in bad or wrong code or code with errors, especially you need to test it. So this is the website that you're going to use. This is standard schema.org, and that really helps. After that, you're going to need to have a structured data plugin. I'm using Schema and structured data for WP and AMP plugin in WordPress. And once you've pasted that into the plugin or into your website, you're going to test it again, but this time with the URL. And look, the product data is there and everything looks really nice. So now you need to test it in Google Search Console, and you have to always remember to do the live test because maybe your cache, and you see ChatGPT does make mistakes. So there are mistakes that will be made, but the cool thing is that Google Search Console or Google Search requires an image, right, for your product so that you can be shown. So you need to find this image. So how are you going to get this really fast? Because finding an image for 10 or 20 or 30 products can be very tiresome to do manually, checking the image file name and pasting it, right? But this is a video for another day. You can get it really fast, but for this purpose, let's just copy the code once you have all of the product data, including the image, and test the code again with schema.org. And then after that, you're good to go. Everything is looking good on what you have. You're going to paste that code again into your plugin, and then you are going to test in Google Search. What do you think? Cool, huh? Yeah.